Here we've got REALME Q2, and let me show you how to check total screen time on the following device. So at the very beginning you need to reach the settings, then find and select digital well-being and parental controls, and now mark show your data under your digital well-being tools. And right in front of you you've got the detailed statistics regarding the usage of your phone, and if you'll tap on it again you will be able to check info for each app. So here you've got them all, and for example settings been in use just for 10 minutes today. And if you'll have your device in use for more than one day, obviously you'll be able to check these stats for each day of usage. Here it is. And this is it. This is how you can check total screen time. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.